Alright, so today we're working on this 2001 Suzuki Grand Vitara. Want to install some lights on it, some off-road lights, and not too concerned about what they look like, more of just a joke. So lights that we're going to install are just these very old 5-inch halogen lights. Gonna mount them right up here on the motorhome mount and wire them up. So I went to install the lights, and you can see it's tipped way down and the bolt's in, but it won't fit, so I'm gonna have to find some brackets to fix that. Alright, so I found a bracket. Just gonna go ahead, install it just like that. This one's actually for the other side. So I'm gonna take my bracket and it'll just slide right in like that. Put a nut on the bottom and the light will fit right on top. Alright, so the lights are all installed. Now we're gonna go run some wire. We got our strippers, our crimpers, and our connectors. We're gonna run the positive first, connect the two, and then run it up to the battery, and then we'll do the ground. Alright, so we're all done with the wiring. Definitely one more thing we need to do is clean that out of the lens. But we're done with the wiring, so we got the positive that comes over to this light, and then it runs behind the radiator, around here, and sent it through the firewall. And then after the firewall, it comes through into the fuse, and then up here where my temporary switch is, and then it runs out to the battery. I did the same with the ground wire, which is the blue wire. Hooked it up to this light first, then to this light, and then ran it up here on this side, and then just connected it straight to the battery. So that's all done. Let's test it out. So here we go. We're just going to connect the two wires. And there we go. That looks great. So done for the night. Got to take the vehicle out of here, and next time we'll get to cleaning that lens. Alright, so I'm very happy with the way this turned out. I think it looks pretty cool. If you like what I did here, be sure to subscribe and like, comment down below whatever you'd like to see done on this machine. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.